Aequs is currently operating in three verticals: aerospace, consumer, and infrastructure. It has been growing at about 50% CAGR over the last 5 years. Based on our experience and knowledge of the market and working with talking to different people, Itelligence came out as one of the best partners to have in this system to implement. So they have done enough projects in the aerospace industry where they have experience, and also several SAP projects which we relate to, similar to what we have done, what we are planning to do.
Tata Hitachi is a joint venture of Hitachi Construction Machinery and Tata Motors. We are in the business of design, manufacture, sale and service of construction equipment. We have got 3 factories and offices and sales service locations across the length and breadth of the country. Being so much spread out, we thought that SuccessFactors provides a very useful platform which helps us reach to our people, our employees across the length and breadth of the country in a very, very efficient manner. We evaluated 3-4 agencies who could have implemented, but we zeroed in on Itelligence team mainly because we found them to be very flexible, down to earth, and their price was also very, very attractive. That all these factors made us choose Itelligence as our partner.
Aditya Auto is a key player in the automotive industry, and it is into manufacture of auto components for the Indian and overseas passenger vehicle market. We have now started using Employee Central in a big way for our decision making in terms of org restructuring and also the time off functions that are available. And Itelligence has helped us realize that the effectiveness of the solution is implementing it in a very crisp and short timeline.
We are a group of 2 companies, Sri Malani Foams Private Limited and Century Fiber Private Limited. They form a part of Sri Malani Group. It was started in 1988 with a single plant and a single customer. We were the OEM to a then leading mattress brand, and now we have scaled up in the last 28 years to having 5 manufacturing plants, the 3rd largest mattress brand in India. Itelligence has been a key and strategic partner. Of course, buying the product is one thing, but using it and deploying it properly quite another. So over the last 28 years, say our balance sheet grew by 200 times, but the data and the number of SKUs grew much more than this. So the data volume was the main challenge posed to us, and increasing complexity of business necessitated that we move away from manual dependency into a system-driven organization. SAP is providing us one platform to integrate all our sales, manufacturing and finance side, and this is what we are looking for, a tight control from a centralized situation on the prices, on the stocks, on the planning, and the managing the entire channel partner. This is one of the key benefits we are trying to derive out of SAP, and we hope that we will be able to run simple in the future with SAP HANA. Itelligence has been a key and strategic partner. Of course, buying the product is one thing, but using it and deploying it properly quite another. So Itelligence, we found a partner with a German-Japanese origin which really suited our mindset of a long-term strategic partner. So they have been very helpful and competent enough to deploy so many resources with an in-depth knowledge of SAP to understand our business, propose and then deploy the right solutions for us.
Hello everybody, my name is Vijay Krishna. I am heading the IT team here in Bharat Foods Limited, Bangalore. BFW, we are a 60 years old organization. Started operations in 1961. We are in machine tools in the manufacturing industry. We have a long-term relationship with the NTT Data. Based on all these things, we took a strategic decision going with a managed SAP as a service. We want a trusted partner who can understand our pain points, who can understand our business and support us in a long journey. So that is the reason we chosen NTT Data, and now we are in. We completed 1 year.
So, hi, good evening. I'm Nakul Madani. I'm Director for Operations at RR Parkon. So we've been into mechanized car parking systems since the last 20 years. and we are the first ones to introduce this concept in India. The criteria for implementation partner was they need to have a very strong project systems implementation team. We found that this skills were present with NTT.
Hi all, this is Manish Jain. I'm from Shinlek Paints Limited, okay, working as a head IT here. And Shinlek Paint is basically, we are into the paint manufacturing. We are the largest paint manufacturing company in the India. We are into decorative paints, wood polish. We are a leader in wood polish. For any implementation, the selection of the partner is very critical part. The partner who is having this industry specific solution, industry specific knowledge for the implementation or migration. So we have chosen NTT Data. I've worked, I've done 2 projects with NTT. So it is a nice working experience to work with NTT Data.
Veolia India is the wholly owned subsidiary of Veolia Environment, the world leader in environmental services and resource management. Veolia India has been present in India for more than 20 years now. We are providing the full suite of service to municipalities in various states and to industries for hazardous waste management. So we had the chance to have a partner that was able to hold our hand and to guide us in the implementation. The way NTT Data manage the project help also the management to make informed and quick decisions. The project was achieved in a very short time span, and this is thanks to the professionalism of the entire NTT Data team. Just after the launch, a lot of positive impact in terms of collaboration between the teams and in terms of unified and aligned way of thinking our processes.
Intelligence team and NTT Data team helped us to design exact processes which we wanted. In terms of implementing the SAP from scratch, where we were using the manual processes for operating our systems and everything, NTT Data has proven their capabilities in terms of implementation the right SAP solution for our businesses. With their experienced solution architect, helped us to design a process which we are running manually today.
So with the help of NTT Data, we were able to do testing rigorously, and all the test results, all the discrepancies were resolved quickly.
We count on NTT Data to provide the full support and to be with us every step of the way in conducting our business.